If you're looking out there to put your boat in a trust or an LLC, the answer is
So as we're kind of rolling through some of these other questions and stuff like this, one of the questions we get quite often is, can you put the boat into an LLC or a trust?
very good question. We get it all the time. We do quite a bit of it here at the Clearwater location, and more likely throughout our company. A lot of folks do put it in LLC or a trust, and the thing with the bank, right? So not all banks will take a trust agreement. Okay, some will, but when we're financing these deals, some will take the shell LLC. And what a shell LLC is a single asset. They'll just take a single asset LLC. But a lot of folks do that. So if you're looking out there to put your boat in a trust or an LLC, the answer is absolutely yes. But I would definitely consult a MarineMax business manager so we can get the proper information regarding your boat and your situation. But yes, you can do it and have fun doing it too.
There you have it on the LLC and trust. Obviously, we can do it.
Absolutely.
And I'm sure there's advantages to it too. So, maybe look into it yourself and see what the pros and cons are for your own individual need, right? Hey, that was a great question, guys, and I appreciate it. And I want you to keep them coming. So as you watch these episodes we've got coming up, down in the comments, please comment, let us know, and we will get back to you on those. And it's a personal preference, I guess, if you want to have the boat in your own name or you want to have it in an LLC or a trust.
Yes.
So I would just, figure out what works best for you and take advantage of it. Once again, thank you guys. Thank you, Al.
Thank you.
And we will see you all out on the water.